And the Parkinson's law says that work distributes itself to the time available. For example, if I can edit a YouTube video for 1 hour, if I allocate myself 6 hours, the 1 hour video will distribute itself in 6 hours. So that's why we are taught to have deadlines and timelines. Why? Because a small thing, if you give it 3 days, will distribute itself in 3 days. So make sure that you give time bound. If, for example, I want to create a course, it has to be in 6 months. If I give it, I'll create a course, I can create the course even in 20 years, because the creating course process will distribute itself in the time available. So if you do not want to get things done, leave it open. But if you want to get this done, always put deadlines. Say, I want to be able to be a Premiere Pro expert in 3 months. Then in 3 months you'll be an expert. But if you say you want to be a Premiere Pro expert and you just leave it open-ended, then you will do it for the rest of your life and you'll never become an expert. Why? Because work distributes itself in the time allocated. The same way with goals. These goals, if you don't put time limits and they are called deadlines, they will distribute themselves to their allocated time, and so you will never achieve anything. That is called the Parkinson's law.